Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad having you back today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make egg rolls. A typical egg roll recipe is usually prepared with minced pork and cabbage. So in this egg roll recipe, I have a generous amount of cabbage here, and a variety of vegetables and seasonings can be added as needed. To make this egg roll recipe, I'm just going to go ahead and cook my pork first. So I've just added about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan, and I'm going to start bringing the pork inside. This is just a regular pork that I use my blender to mince. I'm just going to go ahead and break the meat apart so they cook evenly. It's important to add some seasoning to the pork. I'm adding in minced ginger, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of red and green chili, and half a teaspoon of small onion. And I'll go in with 1 nut cube. I would also love to season this with half a teaspoon of salt. After this, I'm just going to drizzle 3 tablespoons of water and then place the lid over it and allow to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pork is cooked. I'm just going to turn off heat and leave it to cool down completely. So guys, it's time to prepare the filling for our egg rolls. I'm just bringing in my minced pork into a mixing bowl. I'll go ahead and add in 1 cup of shredded carrots, half cup of green peas, 1 chopped onion, a tablespoon of chopped parsley, and half cup of spring onion, and our main ingredients, 1.5 cup of chopped cabbage. You can switch all the vegetables around. I'm just going to go with this, and I'm going to add some seasoning to the vegetable. I'm going in with half teaspoon of ground chili, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once I've added all my seasoning to this, I'm just going to stir and make sure everything combines. Just feel free to adjust all this seasoning to your taste. Once the seasoning is well combined, I'm just going to set this aside. Next, I'm going to prepare a glue for our filling. So I'm going to crack 1 egg into a small bowl like this, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of water to it and whisk. Okay, next we are going to start wrapping our egg roll fillings. There's a link on this video on how to make egg roll wrappers, so it's going to appear. You can check the video out. And I'm just going to scoop the filling to the wrapper, and I'm just going to arrange it like this. Once you place this on the wrapper, you fold it together and tuck it in. Then you fold it again, then bring the edges together like this, bring the other edge like this, and you have something like an open envelope. Next, I'm just going to dip my hands in the egg wash. Okay, this is going to serve as my glue. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and fold this and fold it again until everything is completely covered, just like this. And then we keep this aside. This time around, I'm going to be using those circular wrappers. I made them into rectangular and circular shapes. So I'm just going to repeat this so you can see. 2 tablespoons of the filling. Arrange it, then tuck it in. Bring the 2 edges together like this, then use the glue to hold it down. Once you've glued it, you wrap it up. And I'm going to set it aside. I'll continue with this till I'm done with all the fillings. So guys, once all our egg rolls are nicely wrapped up just like this, we are going to transfer them into preheated oil. I've placed oil in a pot deep enough to fry all my egg rolls. To know whether the oil is hot, I'm just going to drop a piece of the wrapper into the oil. Once it comes to the surface, it means the oil is hot. If it does not come to the surface, wait for it. I can now pick this out and start frying all my egg rolls. I'm just going to gently drop my egg rolls in the hot oil, few at a time. You can easily move them around so they fry evenly. Okay, it took about 8 minutes for this to get fried. Once they are golden brown, just like this, I'm just going to take this out of the oil and drain on a paper towel. And then I'll continue with the next batch of my egg rolls. So guys, our delicious egg rolls are ready. I'd love to show you what's happening inside. We have this delicious filling in there, and we have this crunchy egg roll as well. It can be eaten with chili sauce or hot mustard sauce, so I'm just going to be enjoying this right away with this chili sauce. This is really yummy. I love this egg roll recipe and I know you will love it too. Guys, this was how to make egg rolls at home. It's quite easy. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel and you're hearing my voice for the first time, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss any video whenever I upload them. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.